Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just want to start off with saying thank you to everybody that is subscribed to the channel and following along. We were trying to reach 400 subscribers by the end of October, and we have just passed 400 subscribers on the channel. So it's awesome to have you following along this journey. I really appreciate everybody that has subscribed, leaving your comments, leaving your questions. Really appreciate it. We'll get it out of the way. If you aren't subscribed and you're watching this, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Let's put another goal for the end of November to get 100 more subscribers. So we'll try to get to 500 subscribers by the end of this month. So thanks for watching. Let's jump right in. This is another Wealthsimple trade TFSA portfolio. Midweek this week, it is Wednesday when I'm filming this. The markets are actually still open, but we've been actually having a pretty good week so far. So let's just jump right into the portfolio. We'll give a quick overview. We haven't done the deposit yet for November. Next week, we'll put some the November deposit in, purchase some more stocks. I've got a few more kind of on my radar, and we'll probably be purchasing a couple of new stocks. Let's jump right in. All right, here we are. We are in our TFSA trade portfolio. We're using the Wealthsimple trade app. App seems to work the best, I find, for on your trade. If you haven't downloaded the app, make sure you do that. So we are doing pretty good here. We are up on the month. We can see here up $311.35 on the month. Not a bad start for the past month there. So let's just jump right into the stocks, and we'll go over how the portfolio is doing it all together. First one here, BEP.UN. This is the Brookfield Renewables Partners. This is our renewable energy stock that we've purchased. This one's back up, which is nice. Average price 417. We are now total return 5.04%. It's been doing quite well. We're down a little bit today, but we have this week been back up over $50, which is nice to see. We will go and show our total values. CMC, Cielo Waste Solution, let's just skip that one totally. This one is not doing great. This is, again, a long-term hold for this, but down 68%, unfortunately. So let's just skip right over that. The Greenlane Renewables, though, this one is doing quite well. They have their earnings coming up. I think it's next week, if I read correctly. We are up. It's been doing well the past couple days on the market. Average price 150, but just today as well, we're up 4.97% today. Total return so far $12.60. We have 300 shares of this. We're going to hold this for a long time, but as you can see, it has been doing quite well the last few days. And RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. This is our dividend. This is going to be paying monthly dividends in our REIT. And we have 25 shares of this. We are up a total of $44.20, 8.47% total. Today we're up 1.25. So the market seems to be doing quite well today, actually, which is kind of nice to see. And the next renewable energy stock we have, RNW. This is TransAlta Renewables, and this one is down. And if it's still down, I'm going to be actually purchasing some more of this. What's happened with this one is they had some, I guess, foundation problems with one of their wind farms, some of the windmills in, I believe it's New Brunswick. I could be wrong on the location, but somewhere in Canada, Eastern Canada, and they've had to shut those down. So there's a portion of their generation of energy not happening. So the stock that you can see has come down a little bit because of that. So I think it's a good time to probably get in some more, because we're still going to be receiving our regular dividends. And I think once they get those problems solved, they'll be back up and running. So we are down a little bit, unfortunately, $40.77, 8.15% on RNW. Solar Alliance Energy. This again is our long-term solar energy investment. We are up a little bit today, $1.50, 2.7%, not too bad, but in total we're still down 32% on Solar Alliance Energy. We'll keep an eye on that one. We're still adding little positions on that one as we go. The stock is not very expensive at all. Just gonna add little bits as we go into that. SOT.UN, this is our Slate Office Real Estate Investment Trust, regular monthly dividends, which is nice. It all seems to kind of hover around the 515 to 520 mark, so we are down a little bit there, 2.06%, but kind of back up today. So this one, not too worried about. We have 34 shares of that. We'll be continuing to buy that because that does give us our regular monthly dividends. Now, Telus today was, it's been up, it's been down. It has come down a little bit, but we're still up 1.03%. That's okay. Regular dividends again. We'll keep building on Telus. We have 15 shares. Our total value right now, $424.50. So again, up 1%. Not too bad on Telus. And the last two are ETFs. If you've been following along, you know we have two ETFs. We have VDY, it's the Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF. And this one's doing quite well, up 8.34%. We have 35 shares. Total return right now, $114.69, which is nice to see. We'll be purchasing more VDY on our next purchase as well. And the last ETF we have on the portfolio is the Vanguard S&P 500. This one was started to be purchased last month, and I'm happy I did this actually. It was a suggestion from a viewer of the channel to take a look at this, and this one has been good. So if you're looking for an S&P index ETF, the Vanguard has seemed to be working well. Not financial advice, do your own research, but you might want to check that one out. We're up over $100 now. Today is trading 102.47, which is nice. 16 shares, expensive share, but it's available in fractional shares as well. We don't have any fractions of shares with this one, but there's always that opportunity to do that if you have less than the share price. Today's return 0.37%, but all told 4.31%. So we're a total return of 67.68 on VFV. So let's just go in and do how the portfolio is performing in total. As you can see, our past month we're up 5.78%. This has really been helped out by our ETFs, but also Greenlane Renewables coming up in that price for sure. So today we can kind of, it's never good to check these things every day. Up today, we're up 42, 43. You'll probably see this amount change because the market is still open for about another hour. But on the week, we are up 1.94%, not too bad for this past week, I think. And again, the month, 5.80%. Past 3 months, you can see we're kind of are a little bit down here because it's, obviously some of those other stocks are bringing it down. 36.49, 0.65% the past 3 months. But as we get into our past year, we haven't obviously been going for a year. We've just been going since April. We are up 2.79%, $153.82, and our all-time will be exactly the same on that, $153.82. Thanks for watching. That's the update for this week. We will do another update on the weekend. We like to try and get one in when the markets are open to see how it's doing throughout the week, and then we'll get a weekend update as well. I will be doing another purchase coming up very shortly, just ironing out getting some money, to get money transferred in. I wish I had more money. Isn't that always the way? But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. Again, if you've made it this far and aren't subscribed, take a look down below, make sure you're subscribed, hit that subscribe button, follow along. It'd be great to have you join up with the channel.